Do you have a driveway that has had the faux concrete stenciling done? It's possible to bring it back to life by using a concrete sealer with a colour pack additive. This driveway was showing really heavy signs of fading, and the areas between each brick shape were mouldy and dirty. It was cleaned with a pressure washer to remove as much of the black build-up and then allowed to dry. If the mould is really bad, use an outdoor cleaner like 30 seconds and then hose it down. Use a stiff scrubbing brush on a pole and that will help lift the stubborn dirt. Once the area is dry, you can start. Make sure that you add your colour pack to your concrete sealer and stir it regularly. Work in sections if you have to for larger areas, and always apply with a roller no less than a 15mm pile. 2 coats is best for even application of colour. Many of these stenciled concrete driveways have a border around the edge that might be a different colour. You can paint those in a paving paint. If you aren't up for doing this yourself, we can recommend some tradesmen that will come and do it for you. So give us a call on 9525 7489 or come and visit us at 206 Box Road, Miranda.